Reason!
Jacksons are very pleased to receive you, and welcome you most sincerely and warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Majesty the King, Government of the people of Belgium, our warmest wishes for your continued well-being, peace and prosperity. The Excellency, welcome to Fiji, congratulations.